Hey friends, Tux here. This is something which I've shown before, and I've used for several different vehicles. It is a car fob kit used for your car fob. This particular one is a C7 Corvette, okay? And you can see it's very small, kind of delicate, you know, and I like to actually give it a little touch of class, a little step up with leather and stuff. So, and it does protect it as well. So these, honestly, if you break a key fob, it can be $100 plus programming at a dealership. So it's kind of good to protect them. And again, it really does make it stand out. This is available from Amazon. I will have a link for this right below, so be sure to click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? All right, let's go ahead and open this up here. We'll give this a little tear. I've been through this a number of times. To go back to my queue, I wonder how many times I've reviewed this product. This is a product which I use on all my cars, and I really love, and I think I've reviewed it probably 2 or 3 times already, but definitely a cool thing. Inside here, we have a couple different pieces. You get the little base part that goes on the bottom of the fob. We'll show this to you real quick, and that is plastic. It's like, I wish it was real metal, to be honest with you, but it is plastic, so it has a little bend for clicking in place, which I guess is good. This is the actual fob cover itself, which is real leather, okay, on a plastic body, so real nice leather. Hopefully you can see that. Has definitely a nice soft touch leather feel to it. Looks cool. Gives it like a little extra touch, so really cool. And inside here we have a few extra components. Inside here, oh, there is a little screwdriver here. It's cool they include like everything you need. Little screwdriver, we'll leave that there. Here you get not just one, but I believe you get 2 leather straps of 2 different widths, which is interesting. I kind of prefer the wider one, but it looks like the little one is in here right now. These are really strong. This is leather too, so it will keep to the test of time. It will hold up nicely. But that is pretty nice, man. Maybe I just want to keep that small one for now. Interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead, and the way you pop this open here is on the inside here. There's a little clasp. It can be a little hard to see, actually. Oh, here we go. Right over here. We're going to take this and give this a little push, and this should just open up. Now, when you get these brand new from Amazon, they are really tight, okay? And they stay tight, but that first open can be a little bit tricky. So if the recommended screwdriver doesn't work, using a very small flathead screwdriver, even like part of a scissors in here to kind of pry it does work, okay? So just be careful. Inside here, you'll see the leather is connected with like a little stud. So you want to pull that out. In fact, I'm going to use my scissors here to try and get that out. That just kind of slides out. It's not really a screw. Be careful not to lose it because it can pop off and really fly. So you don't want to lose it. So here we go. We'll take that. I'm going to use this as my little container. That's a little screw you can see. I'm just going to drop that in here. And here, I'm going to go ahead and switch out for the larger leather. But it's cool you have 2 of them, okay? So that can help you down the road. I have a number of these. Again, I've done this several times with several different cars. So it's the type of thing where I have extra of these from previous attempts or whatever. I usually use like the older ones in my backup fobs. And then this you just feed through and you push through that little stud right there, okay? And then this one here, we're going to go ahead and push it through again. Make sure the leather side is out, okay? There we go. We're just pushing that through. You can kind of see right there. Give it a little push, line it up with a little leather stud hole. And then we're going to go ahead and push this in a little bit. There we go. And now we're going to take the little stud here and push it down into the hole. And it's just big enough. Okay, so once you have the little copper or brass stud there pushed down, you can kind of see it. It's still extending up just a little bit. Sometimes wiggling the cord a little bit. When you push it down, give it a little pressure, that can help nudge it down into place. There we go. Now it's going down. And you can see there is a grip right here, like little teeth, that will help hold this in place. So now we're going to go ahead and, well, I shouldn't shut it. I need to stick it through the fob first. All right, let's go ahead and do that. I just want to show you how that worked first, at least. Okay, so now is the time. We're going to take our leather cover here and just slide it over, and you can see that gives it a really cool leathery look. I probably need to clean around the edges here a little bit, get dust in there and stuff, lint, I guess. And then this, we're going to go ahead, and the plastic cover, we're just going to take and we're going to kind of snap this in place, just like this. You can hear a click. Oh, gotta get even. Might have to actually press in a little bit too. Okay, so once you have the cover on and this part started, you can go ahead and push down. You might have to use the scissors or a little screwdriver included to help press down that bar. It's a little tight at first again, but you want it tight. You want the whole thing to be very tight and snap in. Listen for the click. There we go. It's clicked in place. Very secure, That is looking good. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our leather strap here, and we're gonna kind of feed that through the hole, just like that. Very simple. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna feed it back in through the back, just like that, kind of feeding it through. Very cool, feeding it through, and you can see it's lined up there with the little spike. Okay. Now we're gonna take our little brass fitting here, and we're gonna push it in. This may take a little nuance here. Once you get it in like that, sometimes wiggling the leather strap can help a little bit. There we go. Starting to go in. There we go. Felt it go down. Might even use my scissors here to help press it down even more. There we go. Got a little bit more. And you can see there's little teeth here. See the little teeth? Those little teeth here are going to go ahead, and that's going to help make it even tighter. Sorry if the camera is going a little out of focus here. I'm moving my hands a lot. We're going to press this down here and lock it in place. There we go. Heard the click. And now this is super secure. So look at that, guys. That is a good looking fob. Looking good. We got the leather going for my car. Oh, here's a picture of my car. Okay. So looking good. Definitely matches the car. Gives a little touch of class. Very, very cool stuff. And now you do have an extra part. So be sure and hold on to these extra parts for down the road, because that can help you with a future time when you have, like, this part here is this part won't destruct, I should say. But the leather strap from wear and tear probably will in time. But you can always use like this for a backup down the road. So save it, you know, hold on to it. But looking good, guys. This could make a great gift for somebody. Okay, to recap, this is the leather fob kit, okay? And they do make these for a variety of different cars. This particular one would fit a C7 Corvette or a Cadillac Escalade or one of the other Cadillacs. But they do make ones for all sorts of vehicles. But they look great. They help protect it if you drop it like I just did there. Loving the metal feel to it. Love the leather. Leather looks beautiful. If you hand off your fobs to somebody, definitely is impressive, both in weight and in size. You could flip it around. You could have, I guess, have this side here, the clear chrome side, be on this side here with the logo. I don't really mind either way, though, to be honest with you. So I think it's fine like this. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show this to you. Very, very cool. Awesome little fob kit. And you can get yours with the link down below, okay? All right, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.